So Grant, the top half looks like a racing machine, but I know that underneath can actually have a lot more to do with performance. So can you tell me more about that?
Yeah, look, the hull design is so important. Now to start with, both of these craft have our Nano Excel 2 material. Now what that is a resin design that's been engineered at the microscopic level to make it super strong and super lightweight. So what we're talking about there is power to weight ratios. Power to weight ratios in personal watercraft are so important to get that really responsive steering and that excitement when you're riding. Now this hull design is matched with a top loader intake grate. So the basic function of a personal watercraft is it's flying along, water comes up inside the hull, spins up in an impeller and gets shot out the back. Now the top loader intake grate has a little fin halfway up it, and it actually loads the top half of the propeller and the bottom half of the propeller at the same time. Now what that does is gives you a lot more responsive torque and a lot more consistent thrust. So Rob, what's also really important is the flow of the water through the hull itself. So the pump tunnel has been completely redesigned on this GP1800 for 2021. So this has really clean water, really efficient pump design, and you're really going to notice that when you pull the trigger on these craft.